sugar, butter, sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter.
Hi guys, it's Ms Scardelletti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3-ingredient healthy cookies. If you're a little bit bored at home right now, you need a break from your schoolwork, this might be a fun activity that you can try with some family members or friends, as long as you're still social distancing. So today we're going to make orange 3-ingredient cookies. We're going to make them into little star shapes because you are all stars. So the ingredients we're going to be using today is maple syrup, flour, and half of an orange. So you're going to use 1/4 cup of maple syrup, have it in my little thing right there, my little measuring cup, and 1 cup of flour. Now remember, Ms Scardelletti has a gluten allergy, so she uses a special kind of flour, but you can use any kind of flour that you have in your house. And then just the half of an orange. And it doesn't have to be an orange, it could be a lemon if you wanted a lemon or a grapefruit. So I have all of our ingredients mixed together and I'm just kneading the batter so it kind of looks like a little bit of bread almost. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to place it in some plastic wrap. Make sure it's nice and spread out and get every last little bit of our ingredients since there's only 3. Okay. Nice and spread out. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure it's wrapped tightly and it's still nice and spread out, almost like a pizza dough. And then we're going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. In the freezer. And then I'm going to walk over and set my timer. Start. Fun part. I just took our dough out of the freezer. It was in there for 10 minutes. And now we're going to cut the shapes into stars. These guys in the oven. So it looks like you don't want them to be too mushy, but you don't want them to be too hard and brown because then they will get burnt. Turn our oven off and our timer. They're pretty. Tasty too.
Sugar, 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 butter, sugar, butter, sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter, flour, sugar.